Hey everyone, it's Garrett and Megan. Listen, we love being able to show you all the cool stuff around Florida, all the cool restaurants and everything. Don't you agree?
Oh yeah, absolutely. All the new stuff,
Yeah.
the latest, the hot spots.
Now, what we're doing now, we're going to create a new segment here. It's a little different.
We're going to go down the road less traveled.
We're going to the dive bars.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to the places where you actually see the same people every night normally,
Some interesting characters.
Or regulars, is what they're called actually.
And we're going to get wings.
Oh yeah.
We're going to get wings
We're
every
definitely
time.
getting wings.
Every dive bar we're going to get some wings, and we'll tell you about them.
Every single time actually, because a lot of dive bars have really good wings.
And our first visit,
well, it's called the Parrot Bar. We're right here. We've been there a few times. We wanted to show you guys as well in our new segment, Dips, Dives with Megan and Garrett. Dips and Dives with Megan. God, this is a new segment we've just come up with. What's it called?
it's Dip Dives with Megan and Garrett.
Let's do it.
So some dive bars are so often good they don't even have a cocktail menu. They just have liquor and you figure it out. This one, however, does, and some good cocktails if I do say so myself. I've been here before, so I can recommend the mango margarita, but tonight, unfortunately, we are trying to cut out sugar, so it's just going to be straight liquor for us. But if you're looking for a cocktail and a dive environment, Parrot Bar is the place for you.
Due to our diet right now, I'm only having low-carb drinks. So right now, when I normally would be having a nice IPA or something fun like that, I went ahead and had myself a Michelob Ultra. Now, if you are dieting or low-carbing, it's got 2.5 carbs in it, super easy to drink, and you can have a lot of it. Just letting you know, a little dip tip for you if you're dieting.
Going in. Got a little dip.
It's a good dip there.
The blue cheese, great. The hot is kind of a mild hot, honestly. It's not too hot. If you like it spicy, it might not be spicy enough for you. But it's really good. The flavor is definitely there. Chicken quality is good. I would get these ones again. Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Now this is how I eat a chicken wing. You dip it in ranch, you pull that bone off, you eat the chicken that comes off on that bone. And then, get a good grip on the bone.
Wow. This is Megan and Garrett, and we approve this dive.